Are you using video to maximum effect in your business? Do you know that depending on the social media platform that you use to upload a video to will determine the time span over which that video is most effective? With that in mind, welcome to this video entitled How to Use Video to Grow Your Business and Authority. In other words, using video and video marketing on social media strategically to maximize your results. Before we do so, be sure to watch the video to the very end where you'll be able to download the latest free PDF entitled How to Be the Best You Can at YouTube. Hi, my name's Jeff Flaming from Video Cashflow, and in this video we're going to highlight how video has an impact on the various social media platforms and how you can get the most from them. Plus we'll also touch on the benefits of using YouTube advertising and webinars. And if this is the first time you're watching a Video Cashflow video and you like what you see here and read, then please click the subscribe button at the bottom of this video to get more video marketing and business videos on a weekly basis. So how do you use videos as effectively as possible on social media? Well, it's a bit like having an arsenal of weapons at your disposal. Each video and each platform are used for similar but often different tactics and strategies. Here's what I mean. Number one, Google AdWords. The pay-per-click platform is often overlooked and dismissed by most video and YouTube creators simply because it involves spending money. However, what most don't realise is that this platform is also used for YouTube advertising, and this is a very underutilised resource. Get this method of promoting your videos on YouTube working for you, and you can achieve results in a far quicker time span whilst generating a healthy return on your investment, i.e. advertising spend. The potential to master YouTube ads is huge, and it's worth investing in your education to get to grips with this strategy. Check out the eye icon in the top right of your screen to view some videos I've produced on how businesses can benefit from using YouTube ads. 2. Facebook. Facebook Live has taken off, and here's just a few reasons why posting videos to Facebook can be very beneficial. 1. Videos are given preference over images and text when it comes to jockeying for space on your newsfeed. 2. Reach is at least 2 times better than images and text. 3. Combine the benefits of video with like-to-like and custom-built audiences, and you have a couple of very powerful strategies to hand. 3. Instagram, Twitter, etc. The more you share and post your videos, the greater your reach and the greater your social standing in the eyes of Google and YouTube. Other social sharing sites not to be overlooked include Instagram and Twitter, Reddit and Tumblr, Google Plus and Blogger, and LinkedIn. With all of these platforms, video can help direct traffic to your website, to your landing page, or to your YouTube channel. However, there's one social sharing platform that could be more effective than most, and that's number 4, Pinterest. Consider this in terms of effectiveness. 1. Videos uploaded to YouTube are at their most potent within 24 to 48 hours of being uploaded. Twitter and Facebook are at their most potent within the first 60 minutes. Pinterest pins are at their most potent within the first 4 months. That's a huge advantage Pinterest has over its rivals. Let's face it, with videos posted to Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, it's more a case of here today, gone tomorrow. Number 5. Webinars. Some regard this as the ultimate in positioning yourself and your business as an authority, and it can become very lucrative. There tends to be 2 categories of webinar. 1. Live webinars, where you can build up anticipation in the run-up to the webinar and then provide tons of value-added information. 2. Recorded webinars. This takes leveraging to a whole new level. Summing up then, by understanding the value that video can bring to the various social media platforms should help any business get the most return in terms of reaching new viewers and potential clients. You can implement tactics and strategies that could drive lots of traffic to your website, landing pages and YouTube channel at ease. It's therefore important to get to know how each platform works, what the video uploading requirements are, who your target market is, and how best to get the maximum return from your efforts and advertising spend. And whilst the social media platforms are a great resource of prospects for generating and driving traffic, video really comes into its own with regard to YouTube advertising and webinars. If your efforts with YouTube and the social media platforms are not yielding the results organically that you desire, then consider spending a bit of precious time learning about YouTube ads and webinars. There's a couple of online courses I can highly recommend as follows. Number 1, Master Video Ads, and 2. Tube Video Camp Lifetime, together with a link to TubeBuddy, an analytics and optimization tool that supplements and enhances the YouTube website. The URL links are in the description box below this video. Kindly note, these links are affiliate links. This means that when you buy a product or service, then at no cost to you, we will receive a small affiliate commission. If you found any of this information helpful, please enter VidBiz in the comment section below this video. And don't forget to download your free PDF copy of How to Be the Best You Can at YouTube. You can find the URL link in the description box below this video. Thanks for watching. Look out for another video on video marketing and business tips, tactics, techniques and strategies coming your way next week. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Feel free to share the video with friends, family, business, colleagues and associates. And by all means leave a comment or ask a question in the comment section underneath the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos on video marketing and business tips, tactics, techniques and strategies that could help your own online business. Until next time, bye for now.